Now, it's not raining, but there's these two little whirlpools out there in the street that water keeps bubbling out of. If I had to guess, I would say there's been a line ruptured or something that's pushed this stuff through. Whatever it is, I'm hoping it's not dangerous because birds are getting into it. I'm afraid my dog and cat may have walked through it too. And I can't help but wonder if the fact that this has got anything to do with the fact that we had absolutely no water pressure in Lovely yesterday. I mean, none. And then you get up and you see something like this. The joys of Martin County. It goes out the lane, and it went all the way up the street towards the end of the lane, whatever it is. Unbelievable.